So many things get lost in time. So many stories, feelings. I always remember that first favourite toy I loved when I was a kid. It was this little toy plastic gun with water in the middle and a maze to get this little crocodile at the end of the maze by squeezing the trigger. My brother got the same toy and we used to race them. I wasn't born in the borough of Southwark, that's now where I live. I've always felt very lucky to live here. It's one of those places where just walking out your door, you'll always come back with a story. Whenever I do get the chance to go home, I head straight to the ocean. There's something comforting about the waves, their unrelenting permanence. It's as if time has no effect, just stillness. There's this one little beach that has all this sea glass on its shoreline. Greens, browns, frosty whites. I always imagine them crashing and bouncing around under the water until they reach the sand. Just like that little crocodile. Living in a place like Southwark, you always wonder, where am I going to end up in the next 5-10 years? So many different faces and things to see. You can kind of get lost. If there was one downside to living here, it's that time goes so quick. But I wouldn't change anything.